Microsoft's commitment today to put $1 billion into climate innovation is a piece of a broader plan, but the fund itself will really be focused on accelerating innovation and climate reduction and removal technology where money is not flowing already. So one area that we just see of being paramount importance is the creation of new and better technology that will enable us all to remove carbon from the atmosphere. Another area where we see a critical need for money where it's not yet flowing is, for example, project finance for renewable energy sites. I think in many ways the most ambitious thing we're saying today is, as you just mentioned, we will be carbon negative as a company by 2030, not just for our company, but for our supply chain, for our so-called value chain. And by 2050, we will remove from the environment all of the carbon that Microsoft has emitted, either directly or for electrical consumption, since we were founded in the year 1975. That is a big goal. It really does require a very detailed plan, which we've been putting together over the past months. One aspect when it comes to supply is naturally the supply of electricity for ourselves. And what we are saying today is that by the year 2025, we will have power purchase agreements in place for 100% renewable energy for all of our data centers, all of our buildings, and all of our campuses worldwide. But then there's all of the other emissions that are generated, for example, as part of our supply chain. And as you said, we will be implementing by next year new tools and processes for our suppliers. We'll want to see consistent measurement of their emissions. We want to help our suppliers with new tools so they can reduce their emissions. We will be talking with our suppliers in the coming months. I think you can expect to see us move forward with new economic incentives so that as we're buying goods and services, we're focused on encouraging our suppliers to reduce their emissions. And if they do, I think they're going to find it easier to sell their products to Microsoft.